Mتین from SLN College of Engineering, Raichuru, the recipient of 16 gold medals. Sri Nijigunappa Guralingappa Hakkapakki gold medal, Sri SG Balekundri gold medal, Dr. Srimati Malti Kesari gold medal, Murthy's Medal of Excellence, National Institute of Engineering Silver Jubilee gold medal, Dr. MC Srinivasmurthy Memorial Cash Prize, Sir M. Vishweshwaraya Cooperative Bank gold medal, R.N. Shetty gold medal, N. Krishnamurthy Memorial gold medal, Jain University gold medal, Engineering H.S. Siddhalingaya Civil Engineering Memorial Award Cash Prize, Jyoti gold medal, H.H. Jagadguru late Sri Shivaratri Rajendra Mahaswamigalu of Sutturu gold medal, Squadron Leader S.S. Chaitanya Memorial gold medal, late Sri Chandrasekhar S. Belgundi gold medal, VTU gold medal for having secured first rank, highest marks with first class, highest aggregate marks in all 8 semesters, the girl student who secures highest marks and stands first in BE Civil Engineering.
Create a video of your talents and share it via WhatsApp on 9700491819. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.